Yeah, to become world champion for 2025, it's, you know, the perfect season for me, and to win the Dakar, the world champion, it's awesome. It's the kid's dream as well. You know, to be the best in the world in the sport, it's incredible, and yeah, there's no better feeling than that. I think I will be approaching 2026 Dakar the same as last year. Go in with the expectation of trying to win. Pretend you haven't won before, so you're hungry and motivated, and you know, it's just going into the race. I want to win every race I compete in, and that's the focus, and we just take it day by day, start strong and try and get a lead and then manage it. So that's going to be the goal, and the expectation is to win. Yeah, from working on the apple farm back home after school, and you know, during school years to pay for my racing, it's I have come a long way, and very grateful for my family and friends around me to support me to get me to where I am now. But yeah, it's pretty crazy to think I was, you know, working on the apple farm 11-12 years ago to pay for my racing, and then yeah, here we are now as a world champion and a Dakar winner, and yeah, racing dirt bikes around the world. It's a pretty cool feeling, and yeah, I love where I grew up and how I was brought up, and wouldn't change anything. I just think, like, yeah, so having the perfect season this year, it's incredible, but it's taken a long time, and you have to get all the strings pulled together. You know, it's not just, it just doesn't happen overnight. You have to make sure you're fit, you're healthy, you're focused on what you're doing, you've got the bike perfect, the team's working good, and all the training put together, then it pays off. Like, I would have liked to do this 2-3 years ago, which I believe I could have, but with some injuries and some bike stuff, and now we have the perfect package, and now I'm doing what I've dreamt of and known that I could do if I could just get everything together to prove to everyone that I could do what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I've always known I've been able to do this, but it's something I've wanted to do, and it's a lot of hard work, but yeah, it's finally paying off. And to do the season I have now, it's just a reminder that, you know, everything in the past that I've done, it's paying off now, and it's a good feeling to have.